Toyota is without any doubt one of the biggest names in the automotive industry, as it has been manufacturing cars for a long time. To be exact, 83 years. And as the world is shifting its attention to the environment, the automotive industry has to keep up with the pace. Toyota also knows this, and they are adapting to the changing market by introducing a new electric vehicle lineup. But the EVs have a bit of road left ahead to become the first choice instead of those IC vehicles, and that needs the collaboration of the whole industry. And right now, the EV industry is being led by Tesla. So, that's why Tesla and Toyota are thinking of joining their hands to build a perfect EV. In this video, we'll look at what this partnership could exactly mean for the whole EV industry, and when we can actually expect to see the product of this joint venture. So, for quite some time, we can hear the words of two of the biggest names in the car industry, which are Tesla and Toyota, are partnering to come up with an EV that will bring down the price of the vehicle. At the Battery Day special in September of 2020, Tesla CEO said that Tesla will release a $25,000 compact and affordable electric car in 2023. But if you follow Tesla, then you must know that the cheapest EV this company sells is the Model 3, which has a handsome price of $40,000. So a jump from that to $25,000 sounds like a lot of work, and among experts, there were several opinions that it would be difficult for Tesla to find a way to sell electric cars at such low prices. They already hit the world with one low-price premium EV, the Model 3, and they have quite a lot on their hands right now. The production of the Cybertruck is on the way, and they're also working on the semi-truck. Even though Tesla boss Elon Musk said that reducing the cost of battery cells would allow the company to deliver a vehicle at that price, new battery cells are also a lot of work, to be honest. On the other hand, Toyota, of course, is behind the curve when it comes to full electrification, having focused much of its efforts on hybridity and hydrogen until now. Well, you can say that Toyota is the king of hybrids in a way, but it has made it clear that it's taking EV adoption slowly. But to switch from internal combustion models to electric ones should also be a bit tough for the Japanese car giants. A collaboration. So Tesla has a lot on its plate, and Toyota can see some hard times with getting electric. In that case, if they join together, it's a win-win situation for both of them, don't you think? Well, according to the recent news, it's actually going to happen. They're going to develop a new model of EV together. Toyota is reportedly providing the vehicle platform in the partnership, while Tesla will supply some of the EV's electronic control platform and software. By adopting such a strategy, the upcoming all-electric vehicle would practically have the best of both companies. As Toyota is experienced in the fundamentals of car making, and Tesla holds a wide lead in the industry when it comes to software. With Tesla's electronics and software, the upcoming electric vehicle would likely be ready for over-the-air update capabilities, something that Toyota has not achieved on its own so far. What this means for Toyota. Toyota can significantly reduce the resources and time spent on the innovation of its vehicle's integrated electronic control platform and operating system by using Tesla technology. Toyota is evaluating that the integrated ECU and OS technology that can control and improve vehicle functions through wireless updates, which are over the air, is lagging behind Tesla. Here are some other parts where Toyota can reap benefits by partnering up with Tesla. Charging station. What is one of the most important parts of building an electric vehicle lineup? Ensuring the customers with the juice of the EV, and that is a web of charging stations. There are more than 2,500 supercharging stations around the world. Tesla has surely invested a lot to ensure this huge amount of charging stations for their customers. So through this joint venture, Toyota can get the chance to use them too. If Toyota uses the charging network that Tesla already has available, more people will want to buy their cars. Actually, Elon has previously stated if any company wants, Tesla will share the Tesla supercharger network, the Gigafactories. Tesla Motors have pushed to build a plethora of manufacturing sites which they call the Gigafactories globally, and they are succeeding. These Gigafactories are built with all the latest technology, keeping in mind the future use of it to produce electric vehicles. Building out factories that can turn out gigawatts of battery energy means that the demand for EVs is strong. Not only that, but Elon Musk envisions a future where these factories produce terawatts of energy. Toyota understands this idea and realizes that if Tesla can scale like that, there will be enough room to produce batteries for Toyota vehicles. Musk has said in the past that he's willing and ready to license Tesla's tech to other automakers. Many are believing that if the Double T partnership sees the light, then the price of the resulting vehicle will be somehow half of the Model Y. The current price of Model Y starts from $51,500, and half of that would be around the claimed price of Elon Musk, which is $25,000. Well, not the first time. For those who might be surprised to see these two companies linked together, this actually isn't the first time there's been talk of such a partnership. The second-generation RAV4 EV was a Toyota chassis modified to accept a battery pack and drive unit from Tesla. It was based on the third-generation gasoline-powered RAV4 that ended production in 2011, to be replaced by the fourth-gen model, but it was sold from 2012 to 2014. This gave it a slightly dated look, but the fascia was changed enough from the gas model to make it unique and less reminiscent of the outgoing generation. Tesla sold them at a loss, but gained by being able to bank their own ZEV credits. Tesla benefited from being able to sell more battery packs and drive units, and also gained a lot of knowledge and experience in the deal. Everyone involved benefited, but much from the experience point of view. Toyota was one of the early investors of Tesla with a pretty share of 3.15% involvement. But Toyota sold its Tesla stake in 2017 and the tie-up ended. We can see that Toyota CEO Akio Toyoda and Tesla CEO Elon Musk have maintained a relationship in the years since, and we may be seeing them pair up once again. Availability. Well, as things are happening, the announcement of their pairing could come by early 2022, because both of them are working on something special for their company right now. Tesla is focusing on the Cybertruck, and Toyota has just announced its BZ4X EV concept. So it's like Elon Musk said, the product of their partnership should not hit the market before 2023. That's all for now. I hope you've learned all about the partnership of Tesla and Toyota. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and turn on notifications so you're up to date on the channel's updates. See you in the next video.